This is Roger. He's maybe 1 year old, maybe just a few months older. Just right in the area of 1. But he's about medium hair, nice gorgeous black and white. Doesn't have the very longest tail. A little stubby thing. A stubby thing. He couldn't be more affectionate. He's super, super sweet. So I'm available for adoption at the Rifle Animal Shelter. So you come down and get me. I'm ready to go home. So I need a couch to sit on and a couple toys to play with, and then I'm all set. Huh. Say, come get me. Come get me. Say hi. Hi, come get me. Come get me.